Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn Stage Manager on or off on your Mac. So if you don't know, Stage Manager takes your app on the left side of your screen and I can switch in between apps whenever I want, just like this. And to turn this on or off, you want to hover your mouse at the top menu bar on your Mac. You want to go to this control center, so click on it. And here this icon is Stage Manager. So if I turn this off, it's going to remove those apps from the left side, and now I don't have this. So if you want to turn this on, you just want to click on this, and now you have Stage Manager enabled. And to add apps on the left hand side, you just want to open them. So for example, I can open Gemini, and if I minimize this, it's going to get added right here. I can open Chrome, I can open Notes. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.